Hi, today I am going to be addressing a common Catholic and Orthodox proof text that they use to support the authority of the Church over and against Sola Scriptura. And that is 1 Timothy 3:15. If I delay, you may know how one ought to behave in the household of God, which is the church of the living God, a pillar and buttress of truth. They usually render it foundation. Now, the term used there for foundation in the Greek is hedrioma. Now, hedrioma's connotation is not really what they want it to be. It describes something more as like a secondary support, or it says here in a pillar, which is a support structure, generally supports something greater. But there's another term in the Greek that Paul uses, which is themelios, which is actually a much stronger term, and it's used in Ephesians 2:20 to describe the witness of the prophets and the apostles, and in 1 Corinthians 3:11 it's used and to describe Christ himself, and it says that he is the one foundation, no one can lay another foundation besides him. That term themelios generally can refer to something that is about the most authoritative thing you can describe. It can refer to, in the Greek, to the foundations or first principles of philosophy. Meanwhile, that's how he describes the Christ and the prophets and apostles, yet he uses hedrioma, which is a weaker authoritative term. And so this distinction in Paul, it does appear that he is showing a distinction between the church and Christ and the prophets and apostles, seems to fit better with a Lutheran understanding where church authority is real, but it's what we call ministerial rather than magisterial. As in, it serves Christ and the Scriptures as a secondary support, not as a co-equal authority. Alright, thank you for listening.